Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you all the Bordua Than, the birthplace of Mahapurush Srimanta Shankardev. It is around 140 km away from the town of Guwahati and it is 18 km northwest from Nagaon district of Assam. Here we have arrived to the Bordua Than. This is one of the entrance to the Bordua Than. The Bordua Than is founded by Mahapurush Srimanta Shankardev after his return from his first pilgrimage in about 1494 AD. If you have brought Horai with you, then you can deposit at this office and you will get a coupon in exchange of that. Sitting beneath this Hilika tree, also known as Hartika tree, Mahapurush Srimanta Shankardev wrote the Holy Script. The original tree died. This is a new one grown from its seed. Nearby this tree is the Podokhila. This is the Podokhila, where you can see the footprint of Mahapurush Srimanta Shankardev. This is one of the entrance to the Mool Kirtan Ghar or to the Bordua Than. From here you can directly see the Mool Kirtan Ghar. There are total 3 gates. This is the Nath Ghar, where the Bhavna used to take place. Let me give you a proper view of the Nath Ghar. Beautiful paintings have been drawn there. It's quite a big area. This is inside of the Mool Kirtan Ghar, where the Bhakats are offering prayers. The people are sitting in parallel lines. Proper discipline is maintained there. The ambience is so peaceful. I am taking a tour of outside of the Mool Kirtan Ghar. That's me with my baby Niharika. Baby, say hi. Hi. This is just 6-month-old. Now we are moving towards the Hati Pukhuri. Here you can see the beautiful paintings related to Mahabharata, some of the paintings. This is the Hati Pukhuri. The name of the pond is Hati Pukhuri. Lot of fish are there. Beside this Hati Pukhuri, Hati Boha is there. Hati Boha means the house is there. where the Bhokot used to reside. These are the Hati Bahas, the houses. The inside view of the Podokila. I'm trying to show you all. Now we are on the way to Akakhigonga. While going towards that side, I have seen two people singing so nicely. This is the gate towards the Akakhigonga. This is the view beside the Akakhigonga. In the north of Kirtangarh, a half-moon shaped lake believed to be brought down by Mahapurush Srimanta Shankardev in the midnight to mitigate the deficiency of water of his devotee. It is believed that Mahapurush Srimanta Shankardev offered prayers to goddess Ganga to bring down the Akakhigonga. This is the mesmerizing scenic beauty of the Akakhigonga. Lot of people have arrived that day for picnic and also to visit the holy place. Thank you for watching the video.